Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tekken 3 on Epsxe. First, you'll need to download the Epsxe emulator and the PlayStation BIOS files. These are crucial for the emulator to function correctly. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, such as a Pentium 200 MHz processor and 256 MB of RAM for smooth performance. Once downloaded, extract all files into a single, easily accessible folder on your computer. Next, you'll need the Tekken 3 game ROM, typically in an ISO or bin/CUE format. After acquiring the game, launch Epsxe and navigate to the configuration wizard. Here, you'll select your video and audio plugins. For video, Pete's Open GL2 plugin is often recommended for enhanced graphics, while the Epsxe SBU core works well for sound. Finally, set up your controller, whether it's a keyboard or a gamepad, mapping each button to your liking. To further enhance your experience, fine-tune your video plugin settings. You can adjust resolution, enable shaders for improved visuals, and apply filtering options. For controls, go to Config, then Game Pads, and Port 1, Pad 1. Click on each PlayStation button and press the corresponding key or gamepad button to map it. Remember to save your entire configuration profile once you are satisfied, ensuring your settings are ready for every play session. With everything configured, it's time to load Tekken 3. Go to File, then Run ISO and select your game file. If you encounter issues like a black screen or crashes, double-check your BIOS and plugin settings. Sometimes, adjusting the video renderer or ensuring the correct BIOS file, like SCPH 1001, is selected can resolve these problems. Now, you are all set to enjoy the classic fighting action of Tekken 3.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.